everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today with this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how you can log in into the ChatGPT account of yours. Now to begin the process, first thing is you need to open a Google browser in your PC or in your laptop. Then click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in chat.openai.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page. Now in the login page, you will need to provide the email address of your account. You can also log in with Google and Microsoft account if you have linked your account with Google or Microsoft. But here we're going to go with the manual process of providing email address. So type in the email address, then click on continue. Now type in the password and then click on continue. Just in case we forgot your account credential, you can click on forgot password over here, which will redirect you to the another page for the further process of recovering your account password. So click on continue, and with that you will be logged in into the account of ChatGPT. So this is how you can log in into the account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.